Are you considering moving to Connecticut or from Connecticut to Connecticut? Consider the town of Wilton, where my family raised me and I raised my family. Consider Grumman Central. Recognized as one of South Wilton's most cherished circa 1850 federal colonials, this lovely home has been newly transformed with a $750,000 rebuild in 2019. Boasting an ultra-convenient location only a couple of miles to Wilton Center, downtown Westport, and the South Norwalk train station, Grumman Central provides seamless access to multiple vibrant communities. And at less than a quarter mile away, the Montessori school is safe walking distance for your children. Set on over 1.5 acres, 55 Grumman Hill Road features a 40-foot heated gunite pool and a massive 1,500 square foot antique style post and beam barn, offering amazing options for the creatively inclined. With a healthy dose of elbow room and breathing space, you can relax and enjoy the great outdoors, with plenty of spaces and places for lots of fun activities in your very own backyard. Inside your home, the mudroom warmly welcomes you with radiant heated floors into the spacious country kitchen and many light-filled interiors, full of warmth with a well-connected flow throughout. With all of the modern comforts and conveniences, the consistent charm of this historic treasure has been maintained, with repurposed antique timbers, a Harry Potter powder room tucked under the front staircase, and even a secret indoor fort accessible through the bedroom of one very lucky kid. Thoughtfully preserved over many generations, this magnificent property continues to radiate to and through 2020 with visions of life, hope, and love. Welcome home, and welcome to Grumman Central.